Hi, I'm Brenda Thompson, registered dietitian and owner of Life Skills Nutrition. This next segment, I'm going to talk about healthy portion sizes. When you are writing in your food log, sometimes you don't always have the utensils to measure your food to determine the appropriate amount of calories that you're consuming. So I'm going to show you a few tips to help you determine the appropriate portion sizes in various food groups. Over here, we'll start with the butter. A teaspoon of margarine is the size of the tip of your thumb to the first joint. So this is butter, it's about 1 teaspoon. 3 ounces of meat is about the size of a deck of cards or the palm of a woman's hand. The palm of a woman's hand can also be about 4 ounces, such as mine. That would be about 4 ounces. This piece of chicken is about 3. This 1/2 cup of pasta is the size of a tennis ball. This is an example of a 1/2 cup of pasta. 1/2 of a medium bagel is about the size of a hockey puck. 1.5 ounces of cheese is the size of 3 dominoes. This is an example of 1 ounce of cheese. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is the size of a ping pong ball. This is approximately 2 tablespoons, and this is an organic peanut butter, so it's spread a little bit. 1/2 cup of vegetables is about the size of a light bulb, as you would see here. So these are some tips that you can take with you when you're dining out or you do not have the appropriate measuring utensils that you might need when you are writing in your food log.